What if Earth stopped spinning for 60 seconds? Imagine waking up tomorrow and without any warning, the Earth suddenly stops spinning, not forever, just for 60 seconds. What you will do? Would nothing happen? Or would it become the worst disaster in human history? The answer is far more shocking than most people realize. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what scientists believe could happen if our planet suddenly stopped spinning, and why even 1 minute could completely change life on Earth. The first second. Right now, Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour, 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't feel it because everything around you, including the air, oceans, buildings, and your own body, is moving at exactly the same speed. But imagine the ground suddenly stops. Your body doesn't. Everything not firmly attached to the Earth would keep moving at incredible speed. Cars, trains, airplanes, trees, and even people would be thrown forward with unimaginable force. Many buildings would collapse under the sudden stress. Within seconds, cities could become scenes of total destruction. The wind would become a monster. The atmosphere would continue moving even after the Earth's surface stopped. That means winds stronger than anything ever recorded. Imagine hurricanes. Now multiply their power many times over. Roofs would rip away, skyscraper windows would shatter, vehicles would be lifted from roads, flying debris would become one of the greatest dangers. Entire forests could be flattened within moments. The oceans strike back. The oceans wouldn't stop instantly either. Billions of tons of water would continue racing across the planet. Gigantic mega tsunamis could form. Coastal cities would face walls of water hundreds of feet high. Ports, beaches, and islands would disappear beneath enormous waves. Ships would be tossed like tiny toys. Millions of people living near coastlines would have almost no time to escape. What about airplanes? Aircraft already in flight would face terrifying conditions: extreme turbulence, powerful crosswinds, rapid changes in air pressure. Pilots would struggle to maintain control. Some flights might safely recover, others could be forced into emergency landings. Air travel around the world would immediately stop. Would the day become night? Not immediately. Earth stopping for only 1 minute wouldn't suddenly freeze the sun in the sky forever. The sun would appear almost unchanged during those 60 seconds. But if Earth remained stopped much longer, one side of the planet would experience endless daylight while the other would remain in darkness. Thankfully, our scenario lasts only 1 minute. What happens underground? The Earth's molten core would likely continue moving. Scientists believe this could temporarily disturb Earth's magnetic field. Communication systems might experience disruptions. Some satellites could lose accurate positioning. Power grids might experience failures. Navigation systems around the world could become unreliable after 60 seconds. Now imagine Earth suddenly starts spinning again. Everything that survived the first stop would experience another violent shock. Buildings already weakened could collapse, roads would crack, bridges could fail, another wave of powerful winds and ocean movement would sweep across the planet. Emergency services would be overwhelmed, communication would be difficult, millions of people would need immediate help. Could this really happen? The good news is no. According to everything scientists know about physics, Earth cannot suddenly stop spinning on its own. The amount of energy required is almost impossible to imagine. No known natural event could instantly bring our planet to a complete stop. So, while it's a fascinating thought experiment, it's not something we need to fear. Final thoughts. Sometimes the most ordinary things are actually the most incredible. Every second of every day, our planet spins at enormous speed, yet we barely notice. That invisible motion gives us sunrise and sunset, stable weather patterns, and the world we call home. The next time you watch the sun rise or set, remember, you're standing on a giant spinning planet traveling through space at incredible speed. And thankfully, it never misses a beat. If you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tailventa, and turn on notifications for more fascinating what-if stories that challenge the way you see the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.